Hello students, welcome to Physics Art Class 12. My dear students, now I am going to find the intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on any point. My dear students, you know if this is electric dipole made up with the help of two equivalent opposite charges minus q and plus q which are situated at a very infinite small distance compared to each other, that is 2l, and we are taking a point P on the axial line, and this point P is situated at the r distance apart from the midpoint of the electric dipole. Then what is the magnitude of the intensity of electric field? My dear students, on this point its value will be 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube, where P refers the dipole moment of the electric dipole and its direction, very important my dear students, its direction will be situated in the direction of dipole moment. My dear students, if this is the direction of dipole moment, then this is the direction of net intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on this point. My dear students, look here. One another things, this is electric dipole minus q and plus q charges, and this is equatorial line. What is the magnitude of the intensity of electric field on this point? Here I will tell you 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught P upon r cube Newton per coulomb. And my dear students, what is the direction of the net intensity of electric field? This is the direction of net intensity of electric field. And here I want to tell you, my dear students, net intensity of electric field is situated in the opposite direction of electric dipole moment of this electric dipole. Let's come on the topic. Now I am going to start the first topic, intensity of electric field due to electric dipole on any point. Remember these things. You have knowledge how we can find the intensity of electric field on the axial line and how we can find the intensity of electric field on equatorial line. My dear students, look here. This is electric dipole and I am taking a point P which is situated at the r distance apart from the midpoint of the electric dipole. The line, look here my dear students, the line joining the midpoint of the electric dipole to the point P is OP, and this line is making an angle theta with respect to the direction of dipole moment of the original dipole. My dear students, how we are able to find the intensity of electric field on this point P? Point P is neither situated on equatorial line or nor this point is present on the axial line. My dear students, if you want to find the intensity of electric field on the point P, then here I will make the two imaginary dipole. Yes, my dear students, one imaginary dipole in the perpendicular direction of the line of P and one imaginary dipole in the direction of line of P. My dear students, what is the dipole moment of imaginary dipole first and what is the dipole moment of imaginary dipole second? Its dipole moment will be P cos theta, my dear students, and its dipole moment will be P sin theta. If we talk about the intensity of electric field due to first imaginary dipole, my dear students, then this intensity is situated in this direction, in the direction of dipole moment P cos theta, which is situated in this direction, and intensity of electric field due to second imaginary dipole is situated in this direction, in the opposite direction of dipole moment. My dear students, negative charge, positive charge, second imaginary dipole. This is the direction of dipole moment and this is the direction of net intensity of electric field. My dear students, if you want to find the net intensity of electric field, look here. If you want to find the net intensity of electric field, then here I will make a parallelogram and the diagonal of the parallelogram will give the net intensity of electric field on the point P. The value of E1 will be, my dear student, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p cos theta upon r cube, and the value of E2 will be, my dear students, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p sin theta upon r cube. My dear students, net intensity of electric field we will find like this way: E1 is square plus A2 is square, and again I will write here 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p cos theta upon r cube whole square plus 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p sin theta upon r cube whole square. My dear students, again here I will take the common 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube. Here we are getting 2 cos theta whole square plus sin square theta. My dear students, 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube under root 4 cos square theta plus sin square theta, and again I will write 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube under root 3 cos square theta plus cos square theta plus sin square theta, and finally I will write like this way. My dear students, look here. Here I am going to write the final formula: 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught p upon r cube under root 3 cos square theta plus 1. My dear students, this is our desired formula. With the help of this formula, we are able to find the intensity of electric field on any point. My dear students, with the help of this formula, we can find this formula and this formula also. If theta is equal to 0 degree, look here, if theta is equal to 0 degree, then we will find the formula of the axial line, my dear students, P upon r cube. Theta is equal to 0 degree. Then here we are getting under root 4 because the value of cos 0 is 1 and E is equal to 1 upon 4 pi epsilon naught 2p upon r cube. Look here, this formula we can derive with the help of this formula, and this formula we can also derive with the help of this formula. If theta is equal to 90 degree, look here, if point P is situated on the right bisector, then theta is equal to 90 degree. If you will put the value of theta is 90 degree on this place, then you will get this formula. My dear students, thus our